The documentary is presented by Team.
Helping Hands.
The Department of Social Work is organizing a one-day field tour for the 5th semester social work students to their tribal area of Drang Tangmara. This visit is an important part of our social work curriculum. Through observation and interaction, social work students will learn socio-economic conditions, tribal culture, and challenges which they are facing in their day-to-day lives. I encourage all students to participate actively and learn as much as possible. Thank you.
As a part of our social work course, we visited the community of Drang on 13th November. The purpose of this field trip was to understand the real challenges, resources and strengths of the community.
Drang is a rural area located in district Tangmar. The community is home to people who are mainly engaged in occupation, example, farming, small business, etc.
We extend our sincere gratitude to Sir Sajid Ali Bande, whose guidance enriched our field visit. His insights into the community and children helped us understand the social realities more deeply and achieve the objectives of our trip.
The area faces challenges like poverty, lack of sanitation and employment. Yet people show strong unity and cooperation.
We also took a small questionnaire session with the children living in that rural area, which helped us to know about their actual needs and problems. The main objectives of our field trip were to learn about community structures, ongoing welfare programs and to interact with people to understand their social needs. We were guided by our faculty, Zuhur Sir and Insha Ma'am, who helped us connect our classroom learning with real experiences. The visit helped us to understand that development is not only about government programs but also about people's participation and awareness. We observed how social workers act as a bridge between the community and welfare agencies. We thank our college, faculty and the community members for their support and cooperation.
I observed many things during our field trip to the tribal community located at Drang. But I would like to highlight about the educational facilities which I have seen there. I observed that there were only one school available in that tribal community और जो school था वो एक story building थी जिसमें only 3 rooms available थे और उन 3 rooms में क्या था classrooms 2 ही थे और एक office था और वहाँ पे मैंने ये चीज़ observe की कि वो एक middle school था और उन 2 ही क्लासरूम में 8 क्लासेस या 9 क्लासेस को पढ़ाना उनके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग होगा या उनके लिए कितना डिफिकल्ट होगा. अनदर थिंग जो मैंने वहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व की वो ये थी कि वहाँ पे वो जो प्रॉपर प्ले वे मेथड जो होता है बच्चों को पढ़ाने का या विजुअली उनको कोई चीज़ अंडरस्टैंड कराना चार्ट्स वगैरह वो चीज़ वहाँ पे नहीं थी और जो वहाँ पे वॉशरूम था वो प्रॉपरली क्लीन नहीं था. वहाँ पे वाटर शॉर्टेज थी, लैक ऑफ टीचर्स मैंने वहाँ पे देखे जो और ओनली मेल टीचर्स थे वहाँ पे. एट टाइम्स जो फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स होते उनके लिए वो प्रॉब्लम में भी एट टाइम्स जो उनके लिए प्रॉब्लमैटिक होता होगा. और अनदर थिंग जो मैंने वहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व की जो ये था कि स्कूल्स वर लोकेटेड सो फार एंड देयर वर नो प्रॉपर फेंसिंग अराउंड द स्कूल बिल्डिंग which will become a life threatening for the students and sometimes become a major hindrance for them to acquire their basic knowledge.
Assalamu alaikum. Recently we visited the tribal community of the Drang with our college, which was one-day trip. There we observed so many things. But the main thing I observed was the lack of sanitation problem. There are few washrooms available, but they are not properly maintained. There is a shortage of drainage system, due to which the people of this community face so many problems, so many diseases, which are very prone to their health.
I observed that lack of proper roads are affecting every aspect of tribal community, which limits the access of schools, healthcare and emergency services. Better roads can greatly improve their daily life and opportunities.
I observe so many things when I interact with people. Then they share so many problems with me. Like उनके पास electricity available नहीं होती है, जिस वजह से उनको बहुत सारी मुश्किल का सामना करना पड़ता है.
Observe that they do not have proper health centers, trained staff or essential medicine. As a result, illness become life-threatening.
In social work, field work is not just a requirement, it's the heart of our learning. The way science students learn in their labs, in a similar way, social work students learn in their fields. They learn the hard realities of the people who live in those areas where they go for their field tours. They learn what the communities go through, what the problems they face in their daily lives, what are their actual needs. It teaches empathy, patience, communication and the ability to understand the community in general. This year we had the opportunity to take our students for a field visit to the Drang Eco Village, wherein they met the local people of the community, talked to them, talked to the teachers of the institution we took them in, talked to the people working in the dispensary. We did a transect walk of the area so that the students get an overall view of the functioning of the community, their problems and their needs. To conclude, I think field work is something that reminds us why we are in social work in the first place. To understand, to serve and to contribute. And this field work was the first step in this direction. Thank you.